A Louisville woman who wants to end her pregnancy has filed a class action lawsuit to overturn the state's abortion bans, which have been in place since the U.S. Supreme Court struck down Roe v. Wade in 2022.
One ban prohibits seeking an abortion in almost all cases. An overlapping ban makes it a felony for a doctor to perform an abortion after 6 weeks of pregnancy unless the mother's life is in danger. Dejiana Wilson has details.
Nearly 2 months ago, a Kentucky woman going by the name Mary Poe became pregnant. As of today, she is seeking to change the state's strict abortion laws.
And it's only just now, within the last few days, that we have been able to identify and work with Mary Poe to get this challenge filed.
Amber Duke is executive director of the American Civil Liberties Union, which is representing Poe in the class action suit. The organization aims to protect and expand human rights under the state's constitution.
We're really proud to represent her, to simply say, private, personal healthcare decisions need to be left to individuals and their families and their healthcare providers.
Duke says the goal is to strike down the 6-week ban and trigger laws, which work in tandem, making abortion illegal except for medical emergencies or serious health concern.
Folks are being forced to either flee the state of Kentucky in order to get the care that they need, or remain here in Kentucky and in some cases be forced to remain pregnant against their will.
In response to the filing, Kentucky Attorney General Russell Coleman, who was a defendant in the suit, told Fox 56 News his position on abortion has not changed, believing the law should stand and also include exceptions for incest and rape victims, stating in part, quote, "It's the Attorney General's responsibility to defend the laws passed by the General Assembly, and we will jealously work to uphold these laws in court."
This is the first time that we're going to be able to get at this legal question directly as to whether or not Kentucky's Constitution allows for access to abortion.
Duke says it's important to note Kentuckians voted against an amendment in 2022 that would have put language into the state's constitution saying women don't have a protective right to an abortion. The lawsuit has class action status because in 2021, the last year abortion was legal in Kentucky, more than 4,400 women ended their pregnancies. In Lexington, Dejiana Wilson, Fox 56 News.